Hello everyone, so I am back with my new tutorial again. In this I have shown how to make a glass model and also give it a texture of a real glass. So please watch till the end and thank you. So at first go to add, select mesh, then select a cylinder. Now keep its vertices on 12 like this. Now press tab key from your keyboard for moving on the editing mode like this. Now scale it a little and we are just making a structure of our glass model. So now delete this upper and lower face and then add a loop cuts over here. You can add as much as you need, as you require you can. So this will be our basic shape of our glass model. You can take a reference image from Google, you can Google it or you can make it by your own choice. Just try to refine it properly like this. Add some more lines over here and just scale it little like this from bottom and just try to maintain its shape, and that's all it is, that's all it need. And then like this, so this will be its upper part. Now let's finish with its bottom part. First of all, shape it properly. Now select this bottom part. Now press E and Z for moving it in Z axis like this. Now press E and S for scaling it like this. So as you can see, now again press E and Z like this. So we have completed with its basic structure. Now let's add some details on it. Not too much detail, just press Ctrl B for beveling it and you can fix it like this. As you can see, give it a nice proportion like this. Like this. Now from down part, just move it a bit like this. As you can see, like this. Now select its bottom part and again Control B for adding that curveness to our model, and scroll your mouse for adding some more divisions on it. So here it is. Now if you want to add some more detailings on this you can add, but this much will enough, as it is a quick tutorial, so I am not going in much advanced details. So here, now just try to maintain its shape. Now press F for filling it like this. Now press E and S for inserting here like this. Add some edges and press S for scaling it. So here it is. So you can view it from any angle you like and make some change on it. So go to solidify and just increase its thickness as you like. I will keep it on 0.26 meter. So here it is. Now add some loop cuts tool, loop cuts over here, and then give it a shape, a round shape, and some more loop cuts for giving it a sharpness after we subdivide it like this. So here it is. Now press Ctrl 1 and smooth shade it here and smooth shade it, so you can see how our model is looking. And if you want to make any changes into it, or you for proportion, getting the right proportion, you can choose your reference image and on that you can make this model. So here it is. as we have completed with our modeling part. Now it's time to render it. So first of all, apply this subdivision set like this. Now our modeling part is also done. Now press Shift D and duplicate it. So just arrange its proportions where it should be kept. So here I have arranged it previously, so I am showing that for not making a board or something, as it is a quick tutorial on this. So here it is. Now go to your shading mode. Now click on this table part. Now select go to base color. Now select a image texture, and I am keeping this table texture on wood. So here it is. Go to UV editing. Now just I will scale that texture up like this, as I require like this. So here it is. Just decrease its roughness like this. Now the wall part also, give it any color you like. Now environment texture is also requiring. Add one sunlight. You can see in render results like this. You can change its settings from here, its color, strength, spectacular angle. You can change that. Now go to environment texture, and you can choose its environment texture like this. So after adding that, now let's give it a glass texture. So for that, first of all, press Ctrl J for grouping it like this. Now go to new material. Now go to principal BSDF. Now press glass. So here it is. Now go here and select on cycles like this, on cycle render engine. So as you can see, it is not that much detailed glass. So for adding the detailing, you can play with its settings. Increase or decrease its IOR, and just decrease its roughness part. Keep it on 0 like this. So as you can see, it is adding a little depth to our glass model like this. Here you can just change its setting, play with its settings, and you can give it a nice glass texture. Now open your camera, press 0 from your numpad, and your camera will appear like this. Now change the camera settings from here. Keep its resolution on 1080 pixels like this for getting a nice render results. And go here, just maintain its IOR part. Now from here on its additive samplings, and on its denoising part, and from additive samplings you can also change it and see the render results from here like this. On its render and NLM, and just decrease its IOR like this. You can just experiment it from here for making your model look more realistic like this. So here it is. So for getting the final render results, you can press F12 from your keyboard. So here it is. So I hope you learned something from this my tutorial. So thanks for watching, and please do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you and bye.